You really can't go wrong with Montana. You may be thinking I'm talking about the state, which essentially is true. It's absolute beauty. But I'm not here to talk about where to RV, but what you may want to RV in. The Keystone Montana fifth wheel. With more than 100,000 owners, Montanas are very popular and are known for exceptional craftsmanship and a wealth of features. Towing a Montana looks daunting, but with the max turn front cap and radius frame with hitch vision, you'll be surprised how simple it can be. Bear in mind, Montanas are full profile fifth wheels, with most of them being around 40 foot in length. As such, you're going to need a full size or heavy duty truck. Now let's take a step inside and take a look. Luxury takes center seat in a Montana. The living area has Thomas Paine collection furniture, a trifold hide-to-bed sofa, and theater seats that recline electronically and have a massage function as well as seat warmers. You'll stay cool with the 15,000 BTU Whisper Quiet AC in the living room and bedroom standard. Ambiance comes in the form of backlit crown molding, LED dimmer switches in select locations, and a travertine illusion ceiling. Get privacy with top-of-the-line woven roller shades with solar screen day shades. A quick note about Montana floor plans. For every one of them, there is a sister one. What's the difference? The fridge. Every Montana comes with a massive 18 cubic foot fridge, but the sister one has a French door residential fridge with an ice maker and a 1,000-watt inverter. Since we're in the kitchen, let's take a look at some other features to thrill your camp cook. The cabinetry is modern maple with double diamond decorative glass and hidden hinges. Delight in solid surface countertops with LED accent lighting, along with a modern subway backsplash, which highlights the area where you'll find a large over-the-range convection microwave oven. Enjoy the deep 60/40 stainless steel sink with its high-rise faucet and integrated pull-out sprayer. So you can easily find that late night snack. You get motion lighting in the pantry in most Montanas, and select models also have a pull-out trash can. Finally, you'll find a pop-up electrical tower with USB ports and outlets in the countertop, and most Montanas also have an additional one in the buffet cabinet. Also within the kitchen area is the central vacuum with interior and exterior ports and a toe kick. Let's kick it into the bedroom. You'll find a residential queen bed with a king bed option, a Renovo sleep memory foam mattress, reading lights, and nightstands with electrical outlets. For storage, you'll find a large 6-drawer dresser, under bed storage, a bedroom closet, and extra space prepped for a washer and dryer. A Montana bathroom has RV goodies such as sandstone natural molded vanity counter with a stainless steel sink, brushed nickel shower head and faucet, ceramic toilet with power flush technology, and a skylight in the shower. Entertainment is easy in a Montana. Jensen TVs, 32-inch in the bedroom and 50-inch in the living area, have exclusive Key TV satellite prep, so everything you need to hook up is right there, which makes it so easy to use. Jensen quality continues with the DVD stereo system with Bluetooth. Every Montana is also equipped with an omnidirectional rooftop antenna with 4G LTE and Wi-Fi prep. The word rooftop takes us outside. Some great exterior features Montana models have include a rear roof ladder, and you can walk on the roof for inspections, roof-mounted solar prep, huge drop frame pass-through storage with motion sensor LED lights and slam latch compartment doors, more ride step above entry steps with strut assist, and an electric patio awning with LED lights. Some Montana models are equipped with 2 power awnings. Lastly, you'll find a heated exterior water and convenience center, which includes outside shower, black tank flush, easy winterization kit, battery disconnect, and more. However, one of the best features of a Keystone Montana is the ability to do 4-season camping. A Montana is tested and approved for use at 0 degrees and comes equipped with insulated in-floor water lines, insulated and heated holding tanks, enclosed and heated low point drains, straight line heat duct system, and a 48-inch LED fireplace. A quick word about construction. Montana models are built to last season after season. You'll get welded aluminum framed walls and floors with laminated sidewalls having dual layered luan and a double insulated laminated rear wall and a powder-coated 12-inch steel I-beam frame. All wiring is color-coded and numbered to place easier troubleshooting at your fingertips. Montanas are front living or rear living floor plans with a couple exceptions. And as mentioned, every floor plan has a sister one. The 3120 RL has the 3121 RL, etc. As such, I'll refer to one, but no, there is another one as well. As far as the 3120 RL, it has opposing slide-outs, a hide-to-bed sofa on the back wall, and a unique coffee station. As with most Montanas, you'll find a bed and a slide, and the front cap has a huge closet plus stackable washer-dryer prep. The 3120 RL can sleep 4. The 3230 CK can sleep 4, has opposing slide-outs, its cooktop surrounded by a lot of counter space, and a large bathroom with dual vanity sinks. The 3700 LK can sleep 6 and is a camp cook's dream. It has nearly 10 feet of counter space. In the middle, there are opposing slide-outs with a pair of hide-to-beds and power theater seats. The 3740 FK is a front living model with a kitchen having rare opposing slide-outs and a pull-out pantry. In the front cap is a massive U-shaped dinette, the middle is all entertainment, and the rear has your large master bedroom. The 3740 FK can sleep 6. The 3760 FL also sleeps 6 and is unique as it has a half bath right off the kitchen, then a massive full bath that is part of a master suite. 2 sets of opposing slide-outs open up the interior, and the front has a huge telescoping TV. The 3762 BP has the front living look with the opposing hide-to-beds, massive rear bath, and tons of storage in the kitchen, including a walk-in butler pantry. The 3762 BP can sleep 6. The 3780 RL has opposing slide-outs in both the living area and bedroom, an elongated kitchen island, washer and dryer prep off the living area, and dual vanity sinks, and the 3780 RL can sleep 4. The 3790 RD with its classic rear den complete with opposing hide-to-bed slides and telescoping TV can sleep 6. You'll also find opposing slide-outs in the kitchen area and a quaint coffee station. The 3812 MS can sleep 4, but is a camping couple's dream. The rear is a classic rear living layout, but the front has a massive slide-out for the bed, full washer-dryer prep, and a bathroom sink. You also get 2 huge closets. 3854 BR can sleep up to 8 and is the only Montana bunkhouse style floor plan. The back is all rear living, the front has a large bedroom, but the middle is unique with its private room containing a hide-to-bed sofa and queen-size loft above it. The 3930 FB sleeps 4 is all rear living on the back end and includes a half bath plus washer-dryer prep. The front is amazing with a huge full bath containing dual vanity sinks and a large closet in the front cap. When you're ready to hit the road in comfort and style, you may want to select from the wide range of floor plans found in the Montana Full Profile fifth wheel. There's no doubt you'll be able to find the right Montana floor plan that suits your and your family's needs for loving the RV life.